Welcome to Engaging with Engage, our quick tutorial series. These videos give you an overview of the platform. For full details, check the documentation on our website. In this video, we'll look at the home menu you see when you first launch Engage. At the top, there's Explore Link. This is a persistent virtual world with locations created by the Engage team and clients. You can even host your own world here for promotion. Next is Events. This shows upcoming events hosted by Engage users. You can create your own events too, public or private. Just click one to join. You'll get an email with a calendar invite and link. Join Session lists all active sessions in your network. They might be public or private, and you can also join with a session ID. Public sessions can be locked if you want to keep things private within your school or organisation. With Start Session, you can launch your own session instantly. Choose a virtual location. Decide if it's just for you or multi-user, then name it. Add a password if needed, or keep it public. Once it's live, you can share invite links with others. Under Experiences, you'll find content made by clients and shared publicly. Browse or search, then launch it privately or invite others to join. Connections lets you add people you meet in Engage or connect with colleagues from your school or company. You can see who's online and request to join their session. Create and Edit is where you'll find the builder tools for making and publishing your own content. We'll cover these in a separate video. In the top right corner, you'll find your account settings, avatar options, and language preferences. Customize your digital self and pick from supported languages including English, Chinese, Spanish, French, German, Japanese, Korean, Italian, and Arabic. That's the home menu at a glance. This screen can also be branded for your school or organisation. Just reach out to the Engage team to learn more. In our next video, we'll walk through the In-Session menu and its features.